Hello everyone, welcome to RBI Interview and Facts series. As a part of today's video, we are going to talk about 5 key initiatives for customer literacy taken by the RBI. Where the first one is Financial Literacy Week. So basically since 2016 RBI has been conducting this Financial Literacy Week annually in order to raise awareness on various type of financial topics, right? So for example, if we talk about Financial Literacy Week 2025, so the theme of this FLW 2025 was related to women's prosperity, and in a similar manner it raises awareness regarding financial planning, savings, risk management and credit awareness also. If we talk about the next initiative, it is financial literacy centers. So basically RBI has established over 1500 financial literacy centers primarily in rural and semi-urban areas. And what is the aim? The aim is to provide free of cost financial counseling and guidance, right? And as a part of these, basically these centers also conduct monthly campaigns that target different kind of group, for example the farmers, the school children, senior citizens and etc, right? And that's how basically they promote the formal financial services. The third one is National Strategy for Financial Education. I would say this is a popular one where RBI, in collaboration with National Center for Financial Education, which is NCFE, basically both of them, what they do, they basically promote different kinds of financial skills, attitudes, behaviors in order to promote effective money management. So that is the primary purpose with respect to National Strategy for Financial Education. The fourth one is RBI Kehta Hai campaign. So it was launched in 2017. And what is the purpose? Basically, it is a type of multimedia and apart from that also a multilingual public awareness initiative that basically educates the public on different kind of digital banking safety. Also, I would say fraudulent schemes that could be there as a part of the banking system. Apart from that, it also focuses upon awareness related to customer rights, right? Through different types of media channels. The last one is Project Financial Literacy. So basically this is also a very innovative initiative by RBI that caters different types of groups, for example students, women, rural and urban poor, defense personnel also, and apart from that I would say senior citizens too. And what it does basically, it employs different kinds of innovative methods, for example comic books, games, workshops, so that it can teach different kinds of financial concepts. So for example, you must have heard about this booklet by RBI which is Raju and the 40 Thieves. So this is a pictorial booklet that has been released by RBI. You can find it on RBI website also, and this booklet basically focuses upon the modus operandi with respect to different kind of fraudulent activities that are there as a part of the banking system. So that's how basically RBI employs different kinds of method as a part of Project Financial Literacy in order to target different kind of groups, right? So that is the idea. I hope the picture is pretty much clear to all of you. Do let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much and all the best.